Hi love, so welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a transformation on this face. So if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning subscriber, thank you so much. So before I apply makeup on my face, I normally use Adventure Skin, my Zikel cleansing water. This is what I use to clean the dirt on my skin before I start to apply makeup on my face. So yeah, I'm going to use this to wipe my face.
So guys, before you can make your face to look clean, you need to wipe any dirt on the skin and also make that clear canvas for your makeup to set on it. Okay, you need to wipe it gently so that you can remove dirt and also um excess oil on the face before you can start your makeup.
Go in with the scent Ives Moisturizer. Okay, and this type of moisturizer is good for all skin types, so I normally use my favorite. Okay, this is the cheapest moisturizer ever. If you know your skin type, you're good to go with your moisturizer. So I just apply it on my face because we want our face to be moisturized or hydrated. Okay, so I massage it into the skin, my under eye, and yeah. Make sure I steam it well,
So after moisturizing my face, I go in with the Becharm Ageless primer. This primer is good for the combination skin and dry skin. And after that, so I go in with the Adventure primer. That is the oil control primer. And now I'm going on with the foundation. This is the Adventure foundation in the shade. I don't know the shade, but I'll be putting it in the description box. Okay, so now as a beginner, if you're applying a foundation on your face, try to tap the foundation on your face. Okay, don't drag the foundation, just tap. And this type of foundation is a full coverage foundation and is a matte foundation, so it's good for um oily skin and a combination skin. So after that, I go in with the Becharm Ageless concealer. Apply it under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead. So after applying your concealer under your eye, the bridge of your nose and your forehead and cool, you just have to use the beauty blender, the other side of the beauty blender, to blend under the eye. You tap gently. Okay, you don't have to drag the beauty blender on your face, you just have to tap. And also use the back of the beauty blender where you used to apply your foundation to also blend the edges of the concealer so that there will be any harsh line on your face. So that is what I'm just probably doing on the face. I just tap and tap and blend everything equally. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still blending because I want everything to look seamless on my face. I don't want any harsh lines. So now after that, I went in with a Zikel powder palette and I use one shade lighter than my skin to set my concealers. Okay, you don't have to leave it, you need to set your concealers. And as you can see, I was very light-handed with it. I did not put much pressure on it because we don't want anything harsh on our face. We want everything to look good on our face, so that is what I was doing. I use the powder to set under my eye, the bridge of my nose, and the rest of my face. So now after this, I went in with a one shade darker than my skin to contour my cheekbone and forehead and that is it. And also the bridge of my nose. Yeah. So when doing that, so you have to be very light-handed with that. You don't want any harsh contouring on your face. So yeah. And I also use the same powder to contour my nose, and that is it. And after that, I went in with the Adventure loose powder in the shade neutral light, and I just do some reverse contour on my face and bake under my eye. So after that, I went in with David pencil in the shade number 3 to draw my brow. I was very light-handed with it because nowadays we want to go with the natural brow. So now I use the Adventure concealer. I don't know the shade, but I'll put it in the description box. So nowadays I just highlight under the brow. I don't conceal the top of the brow anymore because I want everything to look natural. So that is what I was doing, and I drag the concealer down. I blend and blend everything, then that is it. And after that, I went back into the Zikel compact powder palette, and I use a powder that is one shade lighter than my skin to highlight under the brow bone and also set the rest of the eyelid with the powder. So on normal day or daily basis for me, I don't have time for eyeshadow palette or whatever. I just use the powder palette as my eyeshadow. So I use the darker one on my eyelid and went in with a lighter one to blend out the darker color, and that is what I was doing on my eyelid. So after I finished with the eyeshadow, I went in with the blush on my face, and I will put the name of the blush in the description box. And blush just gives some color to the skin. That is why I love blush, and I was so light-handed with the blush. Okay, so after that, I went in with the Zikel compact powder to set the whole face. I went in with the exact shade of my to set the whole face. I blend everything together because we don't want any harsh line on our face. That is what I was doing. I blend my neck and everywhere of my face, under my eye, and so on and so forth. So yeah. So after I finished blending or putting everything together, and then I put on my eyelashes. Guys, eyelashes, I don't know. If you are putting on eyelashes and you are finding it difficult, let me know in comment section because I find it so difficult to face. So after I finished with my eyelashes, I went with the MAC pencil to line my waterline, and guess what? I tried to tear up. So yeah, after that I went with my MAC pencil again to line my lip, And after I finished lining my lip, I went in with the my chic lipstick with a nude color, and I blend everything. So I use a fluffy brush to blend the black with the nude lipstick together, and everything was blended together. Now finally I went in with the setting spray from Adventure, and guys, everything look slimless and blended, and I love the outcome. So this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If it does, give me that thumbs up and also put on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you in my next video. Bye.